guys, it's your dog, DJ Trapstar, back again with another visual feature my dog.
Fable Chris Sabotage Shitless.
And my motherfucking boy.
Hey, you motherfucking too big.
Hey, Margarita. Backwood rather than a raw paper.
And you know the fucking vibe.
And then she get with Gucci, yeah. Boy, you so fat like my collar, you snaking. I swear to God, that be that Gucci. And you know we winning. Yeah, we is not losing. Try play your song, it ain't moving. So
y'all already know we make that bitch clap her ass like a chopper, you heard me? Hey, we do that shit for y'all, my nigga. You already
Hello,
know.
Wapta.
Yeah. You didn't stop playing. She is not one of them. She's twerking that ass for you guys, you feel me? Tip her. But look.
That last video going up, man. Y'all fuck with the
But
videos.
Look, man. We got a pressure visual once again. We got Fredo Bangs, man. This bitch called Loose Screws, you dig? AKA called Blues Clues. I ain't know that bitch had a nickname. But look, in 7 hours, man. He done, at the time of this video, we shooting right here, nigga. In 7 hours, brother nigga got over 144,000 views, man. And 14,000 likes. And they got 193 disliking pussy ass niggas on the video, man. Man, we ain't gonna hold y'all niggas, man.
I need to get hold ya, fold ya.
But real quick, tell them what they gotta do.
Stay tuned, so y'all dropping videos for us and we dropping for y'all.
You did. And
Y'all rep your city, your state, your fucking hood in the comments down below, my nigga. Like, I'm not even playing with you, son.
yes, sir, man.
Like, word to my mother.
Oh, shit, son.
Like, word to my mother. We gotta make a little quick pause, but we're gonna be right back.
Oh, you gonna
You
get that
feel
about
me?
to
Like,
dope them real quick.
Hey, go ahead, my nigga.
I gotta speak to y'all.
Yeah.
I gotta tell y'all something.
He gotta tell you something.
You feel me? So look, man,
Listen,
to the 2 most active subscribers, man.
2 of y'all.
2 of y'all gonna have a chance to win $100 a piece off the channel, man.
That's 200 altogether.
Once we hit 10,000 subscribers, man,
10,000.
2 y'all gonna win $100 off the Cashapp. So we need our most active subscribers to lock in and tap the fuck in with us. And then the only way you gonna win is to the most active subscribers. So rep your city, your state, and your hood in them comments down below.
In the comments down below.
Yes, sir. Man, make sure y'all do that, cause look, man, this shit very serious, man. Nigga trying to boom. Nigga trying to make it, man. Man, we need y'all, man. We are nothing without y'all, you feel me? And we know that.
I'm
So,
tired
man,
of
look,
working.
80% of y'all are not subscribed. We need y'all to tap in, man. Turn that 80% to 60%. You feel me?
That
But
bitch
look.
hurts now. That
You
bitch
feel
hit
me?
you back.
Oh shit. But look. Nigga tell y'all do some real shit, bro. Like, we love y'all, man. The support, you feel me, off this channel, man, has been so fucking serious, nigga. We only been at this shit for 8 months. You feel me? 8 months. And we already reached 500,000 views on the channel, man. You feel me? That's some real shit.
Man, that's some real
You feel me?
nigga shit, bro.
500,000 views, man.
And for you pussy ass, hating ass niggas, in the comments down below, rep your city, your state, and your hood, man. I'm not fucking playing. I'm not fucking playing. Rep your city, your state,
my
and your
dog.
hood, bro. Like, it's on some real nigga shit, bro. If you not scared, bro, rep your city, your state, and your hood.
If you don't know, wait until Forever Chris come back. He is purchasing some marijuana right now.
We is...
You think we purchasing shit, nigga? You tripping, nigga? He gotta go do something, nigga. But we holding y'all, man. Hold on. If you really fuck with us, just hold on. We
Got
gonna
them
get
pounds.
Fredo Bang shit. He gotta hurry the fuck up.
Bitch, we in the truck, man. Fredo Bang, if you watching, we got that. Come shop, this that gas.
Come shop. Damn, this nigga take it forever. Ever.
Yeah, but that nigga wanted a pound.
Ever.
That nigga wanted a pound or something? That nigga having trouble weighing that bitch up or something. I'll be back to you.
Man, you see these niggas been just left me on the channel. We shooting a very serious review, and nigga, we is motherfucking 5 minutes in, and we have not shot anything. Anything. So boom. What is y'all aspirations in life? I want to hit 10 million subscribers one day on YouTube. Real quick, what y'all think I should do to hit 10 million subscribers on this bitch? I'm really bored. These niggas done left me. Man, these niggas playing, man. Tell that nigga fuck Chris stop lollygagging. What up?
Man, yo, I think this nigga needs some help, son. I think he in trouble or something, man. Let me see something real quick, man.
He out there talk, man. This nigga out there talking.
Man, I almost had to shoot a nigga, man. I had to go get this nigga, bro.
All I heard was, hey, man.
Yo, what you doing, my homeboy, son? Back the fuck up, son.
Hey, man, I almost had to get that boy, son.
Come on, man.
Hey, man, wait, look. That be real good to the visual, man. Let's get it.
Let's get it.
Uno got the streets going crazy.
Let me get my lid up some more.
It's a photo beat. Got it out the mud and I wasn't asking for a handout. Changed it from the start, you pissed me off, I like your man's off. Bitch, I stand on business when it's pressure never ran off. My felonies and DOC, I tell you what they can about. I stick at the stick, I count.
Nigga said, I got my felonies in DOC. I can tell you what they can about.
Nigga said I got stick after stick. I know y'all heard that boy.
Hey, I seen my dog Fredo banging on O Block. Chilling with Pooh Shiesty and motherfucking Dirt. You feel me? Nigga was in the trenches, you
Stop
feel me?
playing with him, he is
I
not one of them.
to do, man.
Man,
I'm on
hey.
stage with them niggas too.
Hey.
On stage performing.
Performing and he in the video. You feel me? Hey, he cutting up.
Blitz after blitz, yeah. Heard I dropped that bag, he called my people, he won't quit, yeah. Smoke up in the city, we grab drinks and make it fan out. Jump up in the crowd, don't touch my chain, might knock a fan out. Oh, bitch, I found my stand, don't fuck my groove up. I get the tripping on these drugs, don't fuck my mood up. Yeah, when I hit your city, put your tool up. Yeah, holla who won't smoke with me, I paint a nigga burgundy.
He said, y'all know who won't smoke with me, I'm painting niggas like they burgundy, okay?
Paint a nigga red. Christmas time. Leave a bag on your head.
I'm talking about hit a nigga like that.
My granny told me, boy, you got some loose screws. Lately, I've been in my bag chasing blue blues. Disrespect me, then I let that fucking tube move. These bitches tryna figure me out, these whole blue clues. My granny told me, boy, you got some loose screws. Lately, I've been in my bag chasing blue blues. Disrespect me, then I let that fucking tube move. These bitches tryna figure me out, these I've been chillin' in this bitch, don't make it up tonight. I'm with them killers, say Osama, you brought your cutter right. I see a bitch up in the crowd, I'm tryna fuck tonight. Hey, say little mama.
I see your bitch up in
Oh
the
my
crowd.
God.
Tonight.
I
Hey.
need that.
Hey.
I need it.
And my dog thugging in front of the lamb truck. Fuck you talking about?
Stop playing with
Hand
him,
it to
man.
her face. That's
Stop
a
playing
closed
with him,
case.
man.
I can't squeeze it in your butt tonight. You know wearing them little heels will get you.
No, she turned up.
Them big old bitties. You all
You showing
across
them
the world
bitties?
now, son.
That girl
Yeah.
showing them bitties, man.
I would not wife you now. Like, on God, on everything I love, I would
Dang.
not wife a bitch.
Fredo
like
had them hoes turned out. On
Hey,
stage.
tripping. I need to
tripping.
beat up. I need to beat
Look
up.
at her friend. They was twerking together.
She's looking like, oh,
And
you
she's like,
tripping.
girl, you done took it too far.
She's
This
like,
on
oh, you
video.
tripping. It's just a video, girl.
Like,
And she's showing her face, bro. Bro,
That bitch got some long.
Girls
teeth.
going wild.
imagine trying
Girl,
to get a nigga
go
after that,
wild.
bro. She can't get
Part
no
two.
nigga after that.
She gonna get a lot of niggas up there.
Shit.
She is, but
She gonna
shit.
get 50.
I wouldn't wipe that
more
bitch.
niggas after this.
Yeah.
I wouldn't wipe that bitch. That bitch
Look,
you doing shit like
you
that.
one of them. You
She
one
gonna
of
get
them.
flipped out. You
You
heard
got
me?
niggas ready for her right now.
Yeah, man.
That bitch
Fuck right, yeah. You know wearing that little dress will get you touched, right? I see your baby daddy looking on start a club fight. Wait, tell that pussy nigga get his mug right. I'm out, man. Coming through the crowd, I got that bag on me. You slanging on, I'm slanging on, I keep that strap on me. I'm throwing foes up in your city, I'm from that raggedy. I fuck that little from the back, I got her screaming R.I.P. to G. My granny told me, boy, you got some loose screws. Lately, I've been in my bag chasing blue blues. Disrespect me, then I let that fucking tube move. These bitches tryna figure me out, these whole blue clues. My granny told me, boy, you got some loose screws. Lately, I've been in my bag chasing blue blues. Disrespect me, then I let that fucking tube move. These bitches tryna figure me out, these whole blue clues.
That bitch got famous. Shut up, bitch. You gonna be
Fine,
now your Instagram famous.
Yeah, my followers went up after that, EB.
Her followers went 100K.
Yeah, for
How many
real.
views you got? That bitch went up 100K.
100K.
How much was her ad is in the her ad is in the comments down below. In them comments in that video.
Somebody know her.
Somebody know her.
That's somebody, dog.
Like real shit. Somebody know her shit. Somebody
I
asked
see your
like,
sister on that bitch wild.
somebody asked like, yo, what's her ad?
Showing them titties. But look, man, I get that bitch a 10 though. I'm fucking with that. I was fucking with that. I did. I think so. Yes.
Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go.
But look, man, yeah, what you get that bit though?
Hey, that bitch is 10 again, man.
That bit pressure, man. Like I told y'all, man, pressure visuals only, man. What you get that bit for, Chris?
10 again. Take a picture of that. Got it.
Ooh, I seen nothing but ass. But
Hey.
look.
Look.
Hey man, y'all let us know in the comments down below, man. How y'all feel about that visual right there, man? Is that bit pressure or trash, man? Y'all let us know, man, how y'all feel about that joint right there, man. And as well, man, we doing visual and audio reactions, man. Make sure y'all tap in and tune in with them DMs on Instagram.
Yeah, we doing
Right?
Yeah, we doing that, nigga. Forever Chris.
You feel me? And
G motherfucker too, man. Gang shit.
And make sure you hit me on my DM as well at DJ Trapstar on all platforms, man. You already know the fuck going on. And like I said earlier, man, 2 lucky winners will win $100 off the Cashapp when we hit 10,000 subscribers, man. To the most active subscribers. So make sure y'all rep y'all city, y'all state, and y'all motherfucking hood, man.
Yes, sir.
Like, comment, and fucking subscribe. You dig? And until next time, you feel me? Tap in and tune in with your motherfucking dogs, man. What's down with you guys? It's your dog, yo nigga, DJ Trapstar, back again with another clip featuring my dog.
Forever Chris 7 times shit less.
Get it. And my motherfucking boy.
MG motherfucking 2. Gang shit, man. You know what the fuck going on.
And we got some pressure for y'all today, man. Shout out to the family at DripTalkJewelry.com, man. They done presented some straight pressure, some heat, man. If you're looking for affordable jewelry, man, look no further, man. Man, show them what you got on, brother.
Man, look, my whole outfit came from Drip Talk. Let's get it, man.
Man, you know what's going on. Show
Got
them
that
the
19mm Cuban. Okay.
You know.
Yes, sir.
Check me out.
Yeah. What you fucking with?
And it's that 10mm plus a chain. You know what the fuck?
Yeah.
going on, man.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Be iced
sir.
out in the club, you know. Going Saturday night, you feel me?
Let's
Might
get
not
it.
go there. Go to church.
Yeah. Hey, hold on, so we got something real quick, man. You think we bullshit? We got earrings too, nigga.
Man,
You feel
what?
me?
Got everything.
Okay. Let y'all know.
Hold on. I don't think they see me, bro. Hold on.
Stop playing with them.
DripTalkJewelry.com, man.
See it, man.
Don't fuck up. If you
get
want
it.
cheap jewelry, go to Wish. We got straight affordable jewelry over here, man. You see what the fuck going on, man?
Get that, man.
So, man, look, you already know. Tap in and tune in with the family at DripTalkJewelry.com, man. And you already know. Back to the regular scheduled programming, like regular, man.